Before we start the video, I just want to say that in my next video, I'll be shouting out everyone that subscribes. So all you got to do is hit the subscribe button, go to your channel icon in the top right corner, go to settings, then go to privacy, and then turn off. Keep all of my subscriptions private so I can see that you're all subscribed to me, and I'll shout you out in the start of my next video. Anyway, let's get into the video. Hey guys, Sam Tech here. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to use your phone as a microphone if you don't have a professional microphone. So yeah, what you first want to do is go to the website. I'll have it in the description, but you can also see it on my screen right now. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down till you find the first link. So you want to download that. You want to download the client, and your antivirus might be flagging it, but you just want to dismiss that as it doesn't have any virus, and yeah, as it's just a piece of software that helps you use your phone as a microphone. So yeah, just ignore that. And then the next thing you want to do is run that file, and then go back to the site and go to the second link, the second download, and then you download that. And once that's downloaded, you want to run that as well. And yeah, now we can get into the next part of the video. So as you can see, I just sped up a video of me running through the installations, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is install the Womic app on your phone. So it's on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Or you could install an APK by typing in Womic APK on Google. However, I wouldn't recommend this as I don't know if it's totally legal, as it gives you the free the paid subscription for free. So yeah, that's just for educational purposes, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. But yeah. Okay, so once you've installed it on your phone, once you've installed Womic on your phone, you want to obviously connect it by USB. So plug a USB into your phone and into your laptop or your computer, or you can do it via Bluetooth, in which case you'll need to go into settings, then go into Bluetooth, and then connect your phone to your computer via Bluetooth on settings. Okay, so basically once you've connected it either via USB or Bluetooth, you will now want to go into the Womic application by pressing the Windows key and typing in Womic and pressing enter, or yeah, however you need to get to it. And then you want to go to connection in the top left corner, then connect, and then you can choose your transport type. You can choose Bluetooth or USB, or you could try out Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct. I haven't tried those, but yeah, so you can connect it via Bluetooth or USB, and you also need to open the application on your phone and connect it, and choose the same one. So let's say you chose Bluetooth on your computer, you need to choose Bluetooth on your phone as well. And then you press play on the phone, and they should be connected. So now I'll teach you how to use it for things like Discord. So yeah. Okay, so to connect it to Discord, all you want to do is open Discord on your computer, then go to the bottom right, and there should be a little settings icon next to your name, like a little cog. You want to press on that, and then next you want to go to voice and video on the bar on the side, and then you want to basically go to input device and change it to microphone in brackets Womic device, and then it will basically just connect to that. And if you have another application such as Audacity or any other thing that you want to use Womic for, just Google how to use Womic or how to change the input device on Audacity, for example, and then there should be tutorials online or on YouTube. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it worked for you. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, as that really helps out my channel and pushes out to other people, so other people can see my videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Have a great day.